Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best rolling clothes racks with a cover available in the market, the GREENSTELL clothes rack with cover. Whether you're looking to organize your wardrobe at home or seeking a reliable solution for commercial use, this might just be what you need. Stick around as we explore its features, benefits, and why it stands out. First off, let's talk durability. The GREENSTELL clothes rack is built tough, made from superior chrome that's not only rust and corrosion resistant but also provides exceptional stability. The welding and interface design have been meticulously improved for added weight-bearing capacity, ensuring it holds up under heavy loads without a hitch. What makes this rack even more appealing is its versatility. It's equipped with 4 omnidirectional wheels, 2 of which have locking brakes, allowing you to effortlessly maneuver it 360 degrees. Setting it up is a breeze. There's no need for tools thanks to its integrated design. Plus, with detailed instructions included, assembly is quick and straightforward. Now, let's talk storage. The extendable hanging rail, complete with 2 additional hooks, offers ample space for your garments. Whether you're hanging coats, dresses, or suits, there's plenty of room. And let's not forget the practicality of the bottom rails, ideal for storing shoes, boxes, or other essentials. What truly sets the GREENSTELL clothes rack apart is its high-quality cover. Made from SGS-certified PVC, it's not only 100% waterproof but also environmentally safe with no unpleasant odors. The stainless steel zipper ensures durability and smooth operation, providing reliable protection against dust and moisture. Whether you're using it indoors or outdoors, be it in your bedroom, living room, or even a performance backdrop, the GREENSTELL clothes rack proves its versatility time and again. It's designed to meet the demands of various environments, offering both practicality and durability wherever you place it. In terms of user experience, customers have rated it highly for its easy assembly, maneuverability, and overall sturdiness. It's evident why it's become a popular choice among those looking for a reliable garment storage solution. That concludes our review of the GREENSTELL clothes rack with cover. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.